Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing Plyo Plie Squats. All right, so when we do these, we are going to jump with we're going to start with our feet right underneath our hips. We're going to jump out into a wide squat. Don't lose your balance. If you do, it's all good. Come down into that squat, jump back up, bring your feet back underneath your hips. So out wide, in close, out wide, in close, out wide, in close. All right, so this is going to get your heart rate up. It's going to get your legs nice and warm, and it's going to help build those legs. So for more exercises like this to build your best body ever, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.